G'day, here's a beautiful piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's from the Winton area. It's got a couple of brown stains on the top there. Looks like there's a where it's flaked off before when it was split. Maybe you want to cut that off there, end up with a triangular purple stone. Another stone here, another stone there, another one over here. Or you could just cut it as a great big pendant or something, or just keep it as a specimen. Beautiful material. Back of it, parent sand material, sandstone material. Boulder material is very hard, it'll polish nice and bright, high polish. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of what you're looking at there. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.